Hello guys, your friend Godlike is here. So today we are gonna play Call of Duty. So let's see. So just search COD in the Play Store and go to the first tab. As you can see, the download is 100 millions, which is very good. So let's try the game. And guys, I'm using Redmi Note 8. So let's see how it's gonna work. The game is around 3 GB. So let's see. Can we play it in 360 pixel or 720 pixel? Let's see. Open the graphics. So game is loading right now. And you can log in with Facebook account or you can make your own Call of Duty account. There's one thing, if you make your own Call of Duty account, you can get a free skin, and I will show you which skin I'm talking about right now. So game is still loading. And pretty much it is very smooth. Let's see how it's gonna work. It's loading. Okay, the screen is very good. Let's see. Okay guys, this is the character I was talking about. If you log in with the Call of Duty main account, you can get this account, this particular character for free. And as you can see, this is my ID, and there we have many options. The first one is event. You can play many events. Then we have the season pass. Like in PUBG you have season pass, you also have season pass in Call of Duty. You can get this various reward in the game, which is very good thing. And the dresses are also like very good. Then here is the shop. You can buy all the what we say cloth and every single weapon of the game in the shop, or any skin you want in the game you can buy from the shop only. Then here is the inventory option. Whatever thing you have, you can check it out here. Then here we have the leaderboard. What is your score? Mine is very pretty much low. Then here you can change your layout. As you can see, there is different type of mode in the game. First one is multiplayer, then we have BR mode, battle royale mode, then we have zombie mode. So you can change your layout according to your need in the particular event. And the modes are really very good. You should play it. And here are the emote. Like in PUBG you can dance. Here you can dance. You can buy this emote, or you can get by purchasing a pass. So let's play a match. There are various messages, so let's go for a quick match so we can see how the game graphics are and how easy we can control the game. So let's play a match. Okay, it is starting. The window is very good. Let's see how much time it will take to connect with the match. Okay, so this one is 5 versus 5. Okay, and there you can see the map, and you can see your teammate or your teammate.
Rapid fire.
Okay, just before you start, you can select your layout, what you want, which gun you want, or which character you want. Now as you can see, there is a fire button, zoom in button, then crouch, jump. So let's play the game, guys. Okay, it is pretty much smooth. Even graphics are very good. As you can see, the graphics are really very realistic, as you are like playing in the computer only. Even the gameplay is very good. Okay. Oh, so my health was really low. So okay, we can also revive. So this is a like if you died one time, you can revive again. So let's kill them. Okay guys, as you can see, we have many options. We have gun, pistol, then we have missiles and all of the things, and we have also weapon. If you kill most of the more people, as you kill the more people, you will get the special power. As the special shower is the right side, you can use it. It is a machine gun. Wow, really good. And every single character have different different skills, so You can choose according to your playing style. Like I like to play with the more damage, so I'm using this machine gun. As you can see, it is very strong also. Just with the two shot you can kill any person. Okay, it is going good. Wow, it is very good. And you can also see the location of your enemy, and this is okay. Wow, you can use missile also. You can kill them without even touching them. It is a good thing. It is very realistic, as you can see, guys. It is very realistic, and this game is what we say PC franchise, but they have made a very good game for computer, and now they have also made it for mobile also, so we can enjoy the same game in mobile. And even the things are weapon we get, the little gadget we are using, it is very good. Okay. Oh, again I died, sorry guys. The game is running very smooth, guys. And I'm using 665 Snapdragon, so which is good. Which is like without even lagging. I'm playing with 60 FPS. I sorry guys, I was using grenade. Again I died. Okay, let's try the pistol. Oh, it is very good. Pistol is also good. You can kill with just 2 of the bullet. It is very good. But I prefer the gun. You can like kill more than me, and more of the bullet you can reload. So it is very good. Okay, so we can use the special gun. We can use more than one. As you kill more than you kill, it will get recharged. Good thing. I have 4 GB of RAM, so with this specification, this is running very good, guys. Just with a smartphone of range of 10,000, which is very good. You can enjoy a game like this just in your mobile. You don't have to purchase any of the PC. Just get a good phone and you can enjoy a game like this. Guys, let's kill some more enemies. It is very interesting. Like with the gun you can kill so many of enemies just with one round. Okay, the match is over, guys, and we won. Yep, we won. We killed 65. They have only killed 70. You can also see you can see the action, guys. As you can see, my last kill was really good. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching the video. So this was my review for Call of Duty. The game was really good. The graphics are really good. If you are first person shooter game, then you should go for Call of Duty, guys. It is very good game. And the game is from the same publisher, Tencent. So yeah. And here when you win the match you will get the XP and you will get to know what is your score. That's all, guys. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.